In this video, I'd like to discuss flat stock material utilizations and how flat stock or rigid stock is utilized in control and why it's utilized in that manner. If we're looking at an estimate within control with a product utilizing flat stock material such as a rigid sign print or flatbed print, here we have the quantity, height, width, machine, resolution, material type such as coroplast, and the material. You notice on the materials they're all defined by a size of the sheet. What this allows the system to do is figure out how many fit on that sheet and the best way to fit them. In this case, you'll notice auto rotate print for best fit. When this is checked, it is going to reverse these numbers if it feels needed to best utilize this material. In this case, 18 and 11s, it is being rotated. I can fit 4 vertical and 5 horizontal for a total of 20 per sheet, or a total of 3 sheets for this project, as well as 27 square feet of scrap. Now, if I don't allow rotating, it will then only fit 2 and 8, so you only get 16 per sheet, so therefore requiring 4 sheets to accomplish the same job. If we take the sheet assumptions a little bit further, looking at the confirmed material usage, such as the order is now gone through production, and now for inventory purposes as well as for true costing purposes, you need to enter into the system how much material was actually used. So if I pull up that order, you'll notice it's pulling my 4 sheets of coroplast. Now I can go in as a user and fill in how much was actually used. Was that 3 sheets, 4 sheets, 5 sheets? Were there mistakes? And if you go to a fraction of a sheet, I may use only 3.5 sheets, keeping half a sheet left in inventory. This also then will reflect on the actual cost of any particular job. This also helps in purchase orders. When filling in a PO, it is much easier to say how many sheets you need than how many square feet, as well as for that to be transferred and not lost throughout the system. Even though my pricing, if dealing with an area-based product, would be the same, meaning it is charging based off of square footage of material, the costing is done differently. In this case, you'll see in the area-based pricing for that direct print, I do have a square foot and a scrap foot price. But the reality of cost is that they're coming off a sheet. Now that may be a quarter sheet, half sheet, or full sheet. So in the system, it wants to consume it each and buy the sheet. Now it is allowing you to round to the quarter sheet, and I could change that if I needed to go smaller. And then my cost is entered per sheet, which also simplifies the purchase order system. This completes my explanation of the flat stock utilization. If you have further questions, please view our other videos or contact Serious Implementation Department. Thank you.